some turquoise and some white.
Today we are painting! We each picked a different view.
We're trying to sketch.
And then we started painting.
We are using watercolor.
This is the thing that has all the paints in it.
You have to wet your brush like this and stroke the paint a little, and then you're as good as a doorknob.
I like how the water has different colors.
She's using light blue and dark blue and a little bit of black. Yes, I like it.
I used a stick, a pie cone, and a leaf instead of a brush.
Zachary is using things that come from nature to do something different. I already did the grass in random places, so now I'm doing the dirt. To make the color, there's some white and some brown.
I made the clouds and the sails of the boat completely white just by not painting it. The white is just the paper.
I think it's super amazing.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peterific games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.